welcome back to my YouTube channel. And you don't know say I'm natural Candice, but comment down below and name that I don't want to call because I'm type to say guys. So comment a name that you want. You see me. So happy New Year's to you all. I hope this one will be a good one. You see me, even though 2020 was good, when you look back you learn and other things, but yeah, I hope this year will be good for you. Write your goals and everything, you see me. So today I'm gonna be doing a little vlog. Yes guys, because I haven't give you guys a video, but I don't know the thing, I don't know the chap. I have 6C. Today's Friday, but I don't know, so I still have to study and all of them something there. So I'm not gonna really post, but whenever I can I will, and promise me I'm not gonna get the nice content because I have them, but I don't know how it go. So guys, I'm gonna look a vlog today. I think I said that already. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready and ting. So as you can hear, the place nice and I'm back at things, but yeah, catch you back when I get ready. I don't know if you do to my ear, comment a hairstyle down below that I should do. Maybe we were to go over there. Guys, we just talk about food. Cause today is Friday, don't know, say girl love the food. There's never a vlog without food. So yeah, catch you back there. Yeah, you look what the Lord has done. He healed my body, he touched my mind, he saved me just in time. I'm gonna praise his name. He saved me just the same. I'm gonna praise him. Look what the Lord has done. Guys, am I you? Anyways, guys, I'm not overcome my ear. I'm not overcome my ear. I'm not doing ear tutorial. I come here. In front of the camera? Get ready with me. Oh Lord. Alright. I'm get it in a one, guys. Watch it now. What video is it? Guys, this is why I'm gonna put on my ear. It's me so pull it out, but I'm gonna go and hold it some more. So anyone I'm teaching them to watch this, I'm gonna turn on my camera and come here and pull it out. Hold on please now.
Hey, Devin, stop pushing like a girl.
Rude.
Stop pushing like a girl. This is why you're a little boy, Devin. Why the girl push hard?
Bad boy.
Watch him put in a pocket. Watch out, Devin. Look at him.
Can't take him in.
Watch out. Move, Devin, stand up. Move it. Look at him. Look. Watch him. Get him. Check that pocket. Cross in a pocket.
One day first though.
Oh, what are you doing? Devin, take away the half of your mind. I do not like a little girl.
I'm beating it over. I get this video long. I'm waiting until she's bathing, and then I'm a bathe. My brother, guys, me and him go there. Here I'm in the bathroom, but see here, tell you what I'm do. And I don't get edges, they miss me. So yes, guys, I'm gonna put on a face scrub and ting. Yeah. Can I do it right now? Yeah. Now put it right back. Oh, yeah, stand up. When you have to get it, so guys, TJ now want in a video. And open out here me look like my beard though. Yeah, so we are gonna buy the food and come back home. We just go to start bringing me Portmore sub. So yes guys, I keep on the company thing now. Open out here, I carry a pass and want to make something. But yeah, tell me if I look beard. I come here after I could find the hairstyle, guys. I should not know the struggle. But remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah, brother. I open out here me, but we're in the taxi right now, going over to Severin. Yeah, so I'm just an update. I don't know. Open out here me because I'm play, but yeah. Guys, we reach. No, what people over here, but we reach. I get the food there. I'm sure no one going over here. So. Yeah, over here empty. As I'm telling you already, but Yeah. Look on the Popoyes line. Oh Lord. Wanna see Popoyes line, brother? Oh, I empty like normal sovereign of welcome people. But yeah. I'm hungry. See line there? We are going into Tutifrutti right now and we order. So we just order, come back out and thing, you see me? So we are going to Tutifrutti right now. Buy something. So when I play in here, look where you want. So we did a Tutifrutti, we don't know what to buy. Only can tell me what to buy. Only must know what over here. Alright, I take the birthday cake too. So we want the birthday cake.
Those cups?
Yeah. But guys, we just come from Tutifrutti. Nice, yeah. Just come from Tutifrutti because we could just come and stop and just buy Popoyes. But after, yeah. So, yeah, I have a video, but I don't know if it's going to get copyright. So maybe we're not really here. We just have to see. Yeah. So guys, I'm reach home. I'm tired. You see me? I'm real tired. But remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I get some clips for no maybe I eat and show you see me, but. Yeah, because I know I always eat every video, but it's good. So guys, I bet you not believe me, I'm gonna tell you anything. If you ever take the little piece of leg where Popoyes give me, look here. Popoyes, me not like this. Me not like this. You can't find. Guys, my phone is stream. Still I get. Oh, I look a video phone, isn't it? No live. You can't share. I don't know that. So on the new year, comment down below tell me on the new year. Spicy and mild. If anybody asking, the juice is limeade. No people don't like limeade, but me love it. Now I myself, I'm so start get all the video. Comment video ideas. I just them still in there, and I also and me was. Right. I think we can do one thumbnail. Alright. Alright. No, I like skin. You say after my thing said something I record a while ago, you never did I record. You just can zoom out. Not even if I steam my chicken. I'm gonna get my nice bites. But guys, if you're new, subscribe, you see me? Remember to like the video. Because I always have to forget to like. I forget to like as I click on the video so just like it. Never know. You don't know. I get notification. Click on it because I don't know if Candice always have something festive, something nice. Over here. Yes. Guys, may eat with my hand, my car. No. Enough to eat with fork. Tell me if when I eat Popoyes or KFC, I use fork. No, me amazing. I'm not sure no like different things that my Tutifrutti did have. All that video like my face, brother. I'm just showing about guys. Next time I'll go over there. I should have some Tutifrutti for sure though, and it is finishing tonight. I can't believe it. Look at this price of KFC. Okay, I'm KFC. I don't know KFC. Wait, Popoyes give me. I am tired. I'm gonna go to school today and sleep out in my class then. But well, I don't sleep out any class, like the whole class, but I sleep. I sleep. And I'm telling them I sleep. And when the teacher, when I wake up, the teacher always be like, Candice, understand? I be like, yes, miss. And then I just look into the shadow. And then say, yeah, man, I kind of understand then. Me not at it. Because I not understand how you do it, I forgot understand how me want it, you see me? So we were at it and thing, but I guess because my dad sleep, I never really understand her way, but 12 way can work, you see me? I'm gonna say that. Let me say, you see me one more time. I'm gonna tell you. If I say, you see me one more time, comment Candice, you need to stop. I'm not say it. What a nonsense. I'm not say it. Later. Guys, my finger cutting out. I'm wondering if I should go live today. I'm going to try and edit this video and forward back, but I'm gonna go for my Tutifrutti and come shell it downside down. Yeah, that's what that type of one. Stay tuned. I'm so far. I want this video to be long, you see me, because when I watch out the long video, them unlike when me eat, you see me. So I'm coming back. So Tutifrutti, let me see if I can. Yeah, Tutifrutti right here, and it I don't know, but yeah. Guys, I want to go and food like it didn't milk because I look at Tutifrutti. I started to eat it, but we nobody did call, so just come and go because of the night. I can't eat there or anything anymore until this pandemic feels like it wants to go, which I don't know when, but I hope it does soon. So yeah, and guys, know what I'm like. Delicious. Ooh. I'm just saying melting now. But it bad. If you go shopping and you not go Fruit Delicious. No, you don't go Fruit Delicious. Tutifrutti, then something wrong. Like every time I go shopping, I forget Tutifrutti. I know I talk long, but I just want to keep up on the time. You have M&M them bad. Now this ice cream is the birthday cake one. Like, we like it. I don't know what one. But I like it. Never seen on the dragon fruit or anything this time, but birthday cake is the one to buy. I don't want some ingredient or anything, but I have to eat it. You know, so I'm small. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Like, when you wait, make sure you watch out all of the video them. And if you're new, subscribe to my channel and said that already, but go watch my other videos. And sister, your girl have a bus over here, you see me? So guys, you know the chop, you know the drill, you know the routine already. So leave in the comments. Remember to put video ideas down in the comment section. And about the things on the fire, on the hearts, everything. Congratulations and Happy New Year's to you. Mr. That already mentioned that again. Happy New Year's to you. I hope you have a prosperous New Year. And this year will be much better, you see. This I did not finish it, but this year will be better, alright? Yeah, and I said yes, not the other word, but yeah. So that's basically it for this video, and I'm out.